Hello TEQ crypto followers, welcome to our video. Today, we will share a technical analysis of TrueFi coin. If we examine the chart, we can see a downtrend. Price movements seem very close to breaking this downtrend. There are still about 5 hours left until the close of the day, and a breakout may not occur during this time. If it doesn't happen, the price movements will likely retrace back to our support zone. We expect it to behave this way. Looking at the past, we have a very strong support zone with approximately 3 touches. If the price retraces to this point, it can potentially show an upward movement again, because it has previously acted as significant support. Additionally, we hope for a bullish breakout of the downtrend. Taking a look at the moving averages, the 8-day moving average is currently continuing its upward movement, as well as the 20-day moving average, which is close to breaking upwards. The most important moving average for us is the 200-day moving average. We want the price to rise above the 200-day moving average to signify the beginning of a long-term uptrend. Another important point for us is the medium-term breakout of the 20-day moving average above the 50-day moving average. These are crucial levels in our moving average analysis. After mentioning these, we can move on from the moving averages. Now, if we look at our support and resistance zones, we have already discussed our support zone in detail. Along with that, our resistance zone is primarily at 0.5180 and 0.5790. If these levels are broken upwards, we can expect even stronger upward movements in the price. Breaking these levels, which have had significant historical significance, would be beneficial for us. Continuing with our analysis using Bollinger Bands, we can see that the middle line of the Bollinger Bands has broken upwards, indicating that if price movements continue their upward trend, we can expect the price to reach the upper level of the Bollinger Bands. This would be positive for us because it would mean a breakout of the downtrend. In this scenario, the price could rise up to around 0.5180, which represents an approximate 28% increase. This 28% gain could be achieved in a single day as the cryptocurrency market allows for such rapid movements. However, after the downtrend is broken and we receive a buy confirmation, we know that this upward movement will occur. It's important to note that nothing in the video constitutes investment advice. These are simply our personal opinions, and it's important to keep that in mind. The information presented in the video is not investment advice. Now, let's move on to analyzing the Fisher indicator. The Fisher indicator signals a buy order around June 16th, and since then, we can see that price movements have been on the rise until any downward breakout occurs. Therefore, we can say that the price movements can continue to rise until a downward breakout takes place. However, the Fisher indicator can also be misleading because, at this point, the downtrend may not break upwards immediately, and we may see another downward movement. But as I mentioned, currently, we are in a favorable position for a breakout, so it's worth monitoring. After discussing the Fisher indicator, let's continue our analysis with the RSI indicator. The RSI has broken above its average, indicating an upward breakout, and it is currently hovering near the 50 level. In this region, if the 50 level is broken upwards, we can say that the price movements may continue to rise, making it easier for the price to reach 0.5180. However, if we look at the volume, it has significantly slowed down. Even if it increases slightly in the past, it still has some time to go. Therefore, considering the volume, it may be wise to be a bit cautious. After discussing the RSI, let's continue with our analysis using the WAV trend indicator. The WAV trend indicator gave us a buy signal on June 15th, indicating an upward breakout, and since then, we have seen a rise in price movements. In fact, the indicators have produced similar breakouts and similar upward movements. The most important aspect here is the breakout of the downtrend. In the coming days, it is likely that the downtrend will break upwards, which is also important for us. If we examine the chart on a 4-hour time frame, we can see that we are actually in an upward trend. If we draw a steeper upward trend, it would look like this. This shows that we have an upward trend in this area. Of course, this upward trend is significant on a 4-hour time frame. If we look back historically and draw a trend, we can see an ascending triangle formation. With the breakout of this triangle, we can expect a bullish opportunity. However, if there is a downward breakout, we may see a decline towards 0.3130. It's important to keep this in mind. Let's switch back to the daily timeframe and gradually conclude our video. In this video, we shared the technical analysis of TrueFi coin. If you liked the video, you can click the like button. To stay updated with future videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.